Hello and welcome back to Kadambini Srusti. So today in this video we will do all the activities of this chapter 3 class 10 English grammar Odia medium school subject verb agreement. So let us quickly start all the activities one by one. Here comes activity 1. This is very interesting. पिलामने तमको लागुथिबो is बसिबो are हबो लागुथिबो are but is हबो. You will get one clue in every sentence. प्रत्येक sentence रे हमको गोटे clue मिलिबो. So let us sort that clue and solve this puzzle. First one, there dash plenty of job opportunities for the people of this religion. You just see opportunities plural, so answer is are. There dash plenty of room for improvement in her work. Room is singular, so was. 2 plus 2 dash 4. So 2 plus 2 it is 4, but 2 2s it is s achi, so it is r 4. 70 kilometers dash a long distance. देखो पिला माने a achi, a means singular, so is the answer. F, fish and chips. Here fish and chips both are taken together as a single unit, so answer is. A crowd dash gathered in the street. A crowd achi, so has. The assembly dash divided on this issue. Divided. So केतेबेले divided हुअन्ति जेतेबेले plural थान्ति. So answer is where. Then the police dash chasing the burglar. Police is always plural. So answer is are. Okay. Then her clothing dash waterproof. Clothing is uncountable. So answer is. Here is our activity 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate auxiliary verbs. First one is either of the boys dash won the medal. Has, because it is not plural. Boys achi tam bhabibo plural have lage dabo, but either means one, so has won the medal. Neither of those officers, either or neither nor, so all take singular verb. So neither of those officers is efficient. One of his friends, देखो पिला माने friends achi तमको लगे plural, but one जनक कथा कुआ होची, so it is able to speak English fluently. Some honey is uncountable, so is left in the pot. The governor and chancellor of the university, दी जन देखो जने, so has been invited to this function. 3/4 of the crop, जेतेबेले हमर किछि 1/3 3/4 थाए सेतेबेले is लागे. Is damaged by the flood. A great deal of money, so was spent for his mother's treatment. A whole regiment of volunteers, plural भले लागुची, but a whole regiment, so is working here. Number of scholarships has increased this year. It is a scholarships कथा कहउनांती, number कथा कहउछन, so it is singular. Has increased this year. These days mumps is the name of a disease, not plural, so is not at all difficult to cure. Okay, here comes activity 3. So again choose the correct alternative verb. So what he says about me does not affect me, so it is taken as a whole unit. It does not affect me, so answer is does. Ramo as well as his friends, so when we have as well as, it is singular verb, likes to play football. Neither Rose nor Jasmine, so it is not plural, it is singular, was available in the market. A pair of spectacles, see. A pair of was lying on the bed. The rich means when adjective is used, group of people who will take plural, so the rich live in affluence. The Canterbury Tales, it a plural no hai, it is the name of a book, so was written by Chaucer. 6 weeks dash a long vacation for students. A means it is singular, so 6 weeks is a long vacation for students. Your trousers dash torn. Trousers achi, so are torn. I am young and strong, so answer is are not. Then the last one, it is you who dash insulted me, so you pai amar lagibo have, not has, so it is you who have insulted me. Next is our activity 4. So let us quickly solve this question. So choose the correct verb. So there dash people waiting to see you. People means plural, so are. Ours dash a great nation, so is a great nation. Is not it. The police dash a difficult job. The police is plural, so have a difficult job. A lot of cattle is always plural, so we are grazing in the field. The youth dash not so sincere. Youth got adjective, got a group of people को बुझौची, so are plural. The youth, it talks about a single person, so the youth dash more serious than his uncle. It is a comparison between his uncle and the youth, So was. Ill news dash first. So news ro full form kona? North, east, west, south. So it is not plural, it is singular. So travels first. Again moms. Moms I have already told. It is the name of a digit, not plural. So moms dash very unpleasant, is very unpleasant. Bacteria of harmful kind dash disease. So bacteria of harmful kind we can replace it with it. So it causes disease. There dash a pair of spectacles. A pair of achi. So is a pair of spectacles on that shelf. So if you like, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and have a nice day ahead.